The colorful day in Rainbow Forest. One sunny morning in Rainbow Forest, all the animals woke up to a bright and beautiful day. Fox looked at the red apples hanging from the tree. Yum! These red apples look delicious, he said. Rabbit hopped by holding an orange carrot. I love my orange carrot, said Rabbit with a big smile. Bird flew across the sky and saw the shining yellow sun. The yellow sun makes me feel happy, chirped Bird. Frog sat on a green lily pad in the pond. I love my green home, croaked Frog. Butterfly spread her wings wide. My wings are blue, like the sky, she said proudly. Elephant saw a bunch of purple flowers. These purple flowers smell so sweet, trumpeted Elephant. At the end of the day, all the animals sat together and looked at the rainbow in the sky. They smiled and said, every color is special, just like us.